Boom. That's it. I don't have time to mess with this anymore. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a short-term bullish circle wave. The market moves in cycles, circle. It has dimensions. It have all kinds of stuff. Right now, right? So since 47, right? 47, gold digger, long, right? All where to? Well, 53, right? 53 we know is the high of the of this wave, 53. And then we have 53, 58, 63. Okay, so we have, alrighty, 53 right there, 58, 58, 36. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and remember the okay, and remember uh, the action, right? Okay, so not only consistently profitable trading not only needs to know exactly what to do, where the market is going, but how it's gonna get there, right? Okay, and you need to know the strength of the play, uh, you know, so that you know where it's going, which, in my humble opinion, is the most important after direction. Well, direction and target, that's pretty much the same thing, you see. Right? Yeah. So, if you have a 58 target, direction is up, right? Yep. So it's pretty much the same. Direction and target, man, that's, to me, that's number one. And then entry, entry's super important for the emotion, so that you don't get shaken out. Holy grail, looking for looking for the best entry all the time. Yeah, sure. I like to see who gets it all the time, right? And the stop is pretty much coconuts and determination. Hey, listen, this, is this setup invalidated? Yes. Okay, I'm out. All right. So what happens if the price destroys 47? You're out. All right. But it needs to destroy. It needs to be a clean break. We know that it's gonna go to 44, and 44 is gonna be support, right? So if you like it at 47, you love it at 44. If okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty then. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Very important. Very important thing. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's 45, right? Yeah. Okay. 45. See, this is what I said 2 minutes ago?
That's exactly what you said.
Alrighty then, so. Okay, so, right. It takes 47. We have to see how the price takes it. We know it's going to go to 44. Is that 45? Yes, it is, right?
Yeah.
So if you like it at 47, you love it at 44. If there is not a clean trade. Look at the bounce, everybody. Look at it. It's right there, isn't it? Okay. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, and remember, a drop is coming. That's why I've been telling you of all these resistances. Okay, we just need to nail it. Okay, as a matter of fact, we're gonna have some chop here, 53.44, and it hasn't happened yet, but my forecast is that the price is not going to take 53 and continue going to 58. That's going to be a recoil, and the price is going to come back down to 45. It's going to break it, and it's going down. Short term, down. Price right now, 49. Okay, so chop here, right? 45, 53. And then it is the low, the one that is going to be taken. So your bullish gold digger, Mystique, is going to be taken.
Okay.
Let's watch it. You'll see. All right, so short term, we just went from bullish to bearish. And now 53 is the same as your long 47, Mystique, before.
Okay.
A clean break of that 53, then odds are that it'll continue going to 58. However, the forecast is that it's not 53 what's going to be taken, but 45. Let's see. So this might be the drop that I've been talking about, right? Where to? Boom, 36. Price right now, 47. Is it going to happen on a straight line? We're not going to be chopped here, 45, 43 on a summer thing day. All right, so that's the long term. So this is as tough as it gets, right? Because we all know that 47 is a bullish gold digger. It's going to fight the action as much as possible, right? Okay. And until 45 is not clean taken, that gold digger long 45, 47 hasn't been invalidated. So think about that. Oh my God, Capi, so we're long 47 and we're short 47, not 47, 53, or you can pick one of the two. But that's what that is. You know how that's called?
Trading.
Chop.
Oh.
Well, yeah, chop day trading. All right, that's how it's called. All right, so this is one of those times that you don't want to fiddle in the middle. All right.
All right.
I'm gonna say it all again so that you know exactly what's going on. 40 gold digger long 47 is not invalidated until 44 is destroyed. So that 47 short term is in command right now. Longer term forecast is that it is the low, the one that is going to be taken. So that gold digger, which look how tough it is, in my humble opinion, it's going to be taken when the market recoil at the top 53. It didn't. The gold digger is so strong that price went to 53, destroyed 53, and it's going to 58. Right? So the long 47, right? The bulls, long 47, they want the price to take 53 and go to 58. That's what they're expecting to happen. We happen to think that that's not going to happen. Oh, okay. All right. So scalping, long 40, you're long 47, right?
Yeah.
Why are you gonna do a 52, 51? You're gonna log that sucker, right? Because you think that the price is not gonna take it and it's gonna go down, right? That's the bull's play. Those who trade what they think. Oh my God, Capi, forget about it, man. I'm long 47. I'm not gonna trade what I think. Yeah, I understand that you think the price is gonna drop later on to 36. Terrific. Until it does it, I'll stay long 47 and I'm stop break even and I'm gonna trail this baby. And thank you for telling me what's gonna happen at 53 so that I'm prepared, right?
That's right.
Okay. Me too. Alrighty then. Let's see. Alright, so I have both videos going, so all of this is being taped and recorded. Alrighty then. And what else? Chop. Right? Didn't I say?
Yes.
53, 45, 45, 53, 53, 45. Yeah, all right. So the longer the prices stay here in this chart, right? 44.53. Isn't that what I gave a little while ago?
Mhm.
This 9 points. Okay. All right. I see. The longer we stay here, the the um the okay the more uh, the forecast diminish. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I believe that's 52 and change.
2.5.
Mm-hmm. Right, so that's called scalping, right? Right, so you are you have a bullish setup, the low of the wave, right? Because the wave is 53.44, and the short term setup is a bullish gold digger long 47, right? So price goes to 40. Look, 5 minutes 47. Right? At the open, look at it, right? It doesn't take 45, 44, so it's not invalidated. Your gold digger long is still in command for the short term play. All right? Let's see. Okay. All right, mistake. I believe that's 53, right? 53. Okay, 53. Okay, let's see.
54.
Okay, let's see how much the the fight is right here. Okay. Okay, 53.75, right? So gold digger long 47, locking here 53, right? Of course, we know that a clean break is it's gonna continue to 58. We don't think that that's gonna be a straight line, but it could easily be. Right? So, okay, so you see how the price goes, 53, 54, you know, stopped it right there. Look, 54 stopped it, you know, it didn't go through, okay, but
55.
Okay, 55. We know that there is a, we know that 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 the smart money is gonna squeeze the it's gonna squeeze the bears all the way to 58, right? Okay. Sometimes they can do it, sometimes they can't. Alrighty. So the gold digger long 47, right, is the open. Momentum is taking it. You know, we look at that. All right. Okay. All right.
57.
Okay.
So the tick.
Okay. 57. Right. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So 53, 58. That's 5 points, right? Okay. All right. So your gold digger 47, not bad. 10 points. Look,
Not bad at all.
57. That's pretty good. 10
Yeah.
points. All righty. That's trading what you see. Trading what you think is looking for that short because we think that there's gonna be a drop. But remember what I told you. The overall market direction is slightly bullish, and the short term setup is bullish. So the 47 long gold digger is in what? In alignment
With the forecast.
with the forecast, with the overall market direction. So that's not gonna be taken easy. All right, so that's trade what you see. Trade what you think is, you know, a drop that is coming, that I'm still expecting it, and then the long, we have to be cautious, you know. It took 53. What do you think? That Goldman doesn't know that everybody is looking at 53? Or do you think we're the only ones? All right, so they have to destroy all the weak bears, the ones that have a stop at 53. We, on the other hand, all right, we on the other hand think that the price is that this is an area of supply. Yeah, I learned from the kids on YouTube. You know,
Sure.
it sounds like, you know, it sounds area of supply. Oh my God, this guy knows he knows what he's talking about. All right. Alrighty then. Okay. And then if the price takes 58, oh my God, 58, beautiful. That's what the gold diggers want, right?
Yes.
The price to take 58 and continue to 63. That's what they want. All right. Okay, we'll see about that. You know? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And this is why trading is so tough. Right?
Right.
Look at your 47 mistake. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful?
Beautiful indeed.
Look at it. Price went to 44, 45. And he couldn't take it. I'm gonna put a 45 quarter is the low after the open. Look at it. 45 quarter.
What did you put? I'm in bully 3.
Okay. No. Bully 2. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know? Look at that. You only went to 45 quarter. Boom. Right? 47. Giving all the
58 hit.
the gold diggers, giving all the gold diggers a nice run. Okay. Pretty similar to yesterday. Remember yesterday?
Yeah.
Pretty similar to this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a new rotation. Doesn't mean much to you. All right. We have a new rotation, so we're gonna have a new reading pretty soon. Okay. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have a new reading pretty soon, and right, and remember that the overall market direction is slightly bullish, and that's the reading that I'm looking for. Is the overall market direction going to change? It is slightly bullish now. All right, since the open. Okay, that's one thing. That's the big picture. All right. Okay, this move up, ladies and gentlemen, is pretty strong. Okay, it's pretty strong for real. Okay, this move up, it's real. Okay, just want you to know that. Okay, so what does that do to me? All right, well, gold digger loan 47, destroy 43. We have a 5-point resistance, right? 53, 58. We have to measure the rally. That rally is pretty good. That doesn't mean that there's not gonna be a recoil, right? That's what the market does 100% of the time. 100% of the time. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, right? But this move up, this rally, right, is pretty strong. Oh my God! So what the hell? Whatever happened with that drop later on? Well, that's later on. You know, focus, stay there. We don't know when it's gonna happen. Just like I said before, we don't know when it's gonna happen. We had 53 as the high of the snake wave, right? Snake. You buy the low, sell the high. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Look at that. Look at that drop from 59, boom, to 55, right? All right. Look at that. I don't know. You tell me. Those of you who waited for the to short the high of the channel, right? Right? The small, the minor channel 58. Look at that, Misty. Is that beautiful or what?
That's a beautiful
It's beautiful white. A couple of things. Number one, it's a razor sharp entry. Right? It's a razor sharp entry. Price only goes to 58.5. Doesn't get any more beautiful than that. It's number one. And number two, look at the draw. It's a beautiful draw. So in other words, plenty of room to get in short 58. No heat because it goes up. It goes 2 ticks against you. 1 tick because you had to go to 52 quarter for you to get there, and then swiftly drops all the way to 53. Oh, gee, what a coincidence! 53. So I'm gonna ask all of you, what is 53 right here? What is it? What is 53? Support. All right, you don't have to answer because I want you to. ¿Quién consider? Shawnee. All right. Well, yes, Sean, you can answer. All right, because that I want to know that that you're following up. You are the newest kid in the block. In the block or on the block?
On the block.
On the block. You're the newest kid on the block. So. Support, 53 support. Look at what happened right there at 53. What do you think happened right there at 53? Bulls, those of us who went long, the Gold Digger 47, rode this baby all the way to 58, the high of the channel.
11 points.
Right? It came right back down. Boom. Right? From 47 to 58, that's 11 points. And then it pulls back. And what are we going to do at 53? We're going to add to a winner. This thing is going up. Number one. Number two. Number one is it's a high. Gold diggers are what? Are high probability setups, right? So we are long 47, a high probability setup. And then I mesh. Remember when I said, ladies and gentlemen, I told you, hey, listen, I'm measuring this rally, and it's really strong. That's number two. Number three, I told you, we're having a new reading, all right? The overall market direction is slightly bullish, and the new reading, might take it, keep it bullish or whatever, but there's a new reading, and the strength of this rally, I told you, is true. This thing's going to continue going on, so you don't hesitate on bang and pulling the trigger long 53, which we all know is support. Price came, right? Destroyed our 53 where resistance began. We knew that it had two things. We knew that clean break of 53, price was going to continue to 58, the high of the channel. So that's what the smart money is going to do to take the stops of all the weak bears. And then we counter trend short 58 because the main play is still the gold digger long 47. Hasn't been invalidated. So why the hell are you going to get out? Your job, my job is to ride this baby all the way to 63 and 72. What time it is right now, Mr. 9:55. However, because we trade what we think and because we are real market wizards, then we believe that there's going to be a drop later on. So we're cautious and we're looking for that drop. So we're not going to hesitate on counter trending short our resistances. So those of you who took a shot 58, you just made 5 points in 5 minutes. That's not the shot. Easy.
That's beautiful.
All right, so we're long 47, main play, expecting the price to continue going up all the way to 72, which I told you 45 minutes ago, right? All right, so number one. And number two, price pulls back from 58, our resistance, where we which by the way is target 1, 58 is target 1, right?
Yes.
We take a counter trend, bam, make 5 points on the counter. It goes to 53. We know it's support. Everybody knows it, right? I asked, Shawnee told, Shawnee's the new kid on the block, right? Yep. And he said, support. So he knows, right?
He does.
Thank you, by the way, Sean, for your feedback and your participation. So what do? You add to a winner, or those of you who got all out, right? You're long 47. Price goes to 58. You make 11 points. You probably say, you know what? I'm going to get the hell all out. So if you did that, price goes to back to 53, so poor, and then you establish a new position long, 53. If you didn't get all out because you want to ride this baby all the way to 72, 63, 72, then you add to a winner. So you have again a nice position long, expecting this thing to continue going up, and that's pretty much how this is done. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right, pretty good, right? 63, right? 63 was our other. Okay, 63 right there. So what else we have? We have 58, 63, and 72. Okay. And 72. Alrighty then. Okay, so that's one tick to target 263, right?
Right.
Okay. And we know, right? We've known that the rally, the first leg, was real, wasn't it? Didn't I say it was real?
Yes, you did.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty good, right? Even if right, so the odds that we here at CTC, right? The odds that we get target 1 are pretty good. You know, we hardly ever don't get it. Target 2, it's pretty good, and target 3 is a challenge. Of course, we know that. So, but we'll manage this thing. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's see. Let me know when the market goes to 53 to the tick.
63 to the tick. That's it.
It just did?
Yes. The target 2 just hit.
Alright, so that's 63 to the tick. Alrighty? Alright. Look at the way it took the 58, right? Look at it beautifully, right? So we never let a winner turn into a loser. Counter trend, right? So we're not sure that 58 already gave us 5 points. If you had any units left, you never let a winner turn into a loser, no matter what. Price goes to our next level, 63, and then shorting right here, right now, 63, 64, right? It's another counter trend because it's target 2. Oh my God, Capi, look at, you just said that this rally is real, man. So I'm not gonna take the counter trend short 63. You don't have to take any. A lot of traders don't counter trend at all. Don't worry about it. Ride the main play long 47 all the way to 72. That's it. You don't have to worry about that. 72 minus 47, you're going to make 25 points on that trade alone. So, you know, let's see. Let me rephrase that. You're going to make 25 points on that trade alone. We don't know if we're going to make 25 points, right? That we don't know. But, you know, that's what we're after. That's what we're after.
That's right.
You know, we don't know because nobody really knows the future. And when we say that we know the future, we're just, you know, we don't know the future. We have the odds. Hey, you know what? The odds are that the price is gonna do this, and this is how it's gonna do it, and this is when it's gonna do it, and management. This is how you want to manage this thing so that you increase the odds of you as the operator to ride it, to do what you think the market is gonna do, right? Or what you know, which is what we trade here. We don't trade what we see, we don't trade what we think, we trade what we know.
And you say that you don't know the future. You said that this was going to 63, 58, and 72 at 9:08 this morning.
At 9:08 this morning.
So it's exactly an hour.
An hour ago, that's when I said that, right?
So I think you do know.
Well, those are the odds. Not that I know the future, Steve.
Well,
It's just, They know, Goldman, they know where they have to go today. They know it. All I can do is, figure out their trickery. ¿Qué es eso? Mira.
Saúl puso su
Uh-huh.
chart que vio la
Coño, look at that chart, much better. Coño, Saúl, it's a chart much better, man. It's a little bit easier to decipher. See, look at that. Starts, it uses the entire real estate okay. All right, concentration right here, my friends. Okay, what is that? Stick 63 and change.
63 half.
All right, that's not bad, right?
Not
63
bad at all.
half. All right. Okay, so let me bring your attention to the following. So the counter trend 58, right? Everybody pay attention to this. This is price action. This is price action everywhere. All right. Look at the difference, mistake, on when the price went to 58, target 1, to 63, target 2. 58, it goes right there, bam, swift. It's a razor sharp entry, right? It's and it's a spot, right? Swift. It's not a fab because it never broke 53. If it had broken 53, that's the holy grail, right? Okay, it didn't. So. And look at 63. It goes again, same. It takes 63 by 2 ticks. It goes to 63 half. You have plenty of room to get in short, right?
The counter trend.
Right. But look at the action, right? No swift play, right? That's the difference. This counter trend short 63 is only a razor sharp entry. It's not a spot, and it needs to take 58 to be a fat. So of our okay, hold on a second. What is this? All right. Okay. Where is that? 61. Right? Oh my God, 2 points. Oh, okay. So the Bulls, those of us who want to ride this unit to 72, this is exactly what we want to see. We don't want to have a pullback, right? 61 holding and change. And all right, so to make this counter trend short, to make it threesome, yeah, to make it a threesome, rosy, spa, and a fab, then the pullback needs to be a little bit more. It needs to be a little bit bigger, and it needs to take the former support. So we don't have a threesome here. All we have is a razor sharp entry, which is pretty good. 2 ticks of heat above 63. That's not bad. That's pretty good actually. And a fight right here. 2 points, 61, 63, 64. 3 points, right? 61, 64, 64, 61. And that's gonna happen for a while. But what did I say an hour ago? A drop is coming longer term, so we're not gonna hesitate on counter trending short. Isn't that what I said, Misty?
That's exactly what you said.
Alrighty. Because this could be, we don't know that yet. That's what trade management is for. This could be that drop that I'm forecasting for later on. Yeah. This could be it. Alright. So this trade here is never gonna be a threesome. It can only be a twosome. Razor sharp entry. And if it takes 58 and continue going down, then we're gonna have a razor fab. That's a twosome because the spot it didn't happen. We want a swift pullback all the way to 58. That's like the other one. Look at the chart. You all have those lines where I have them, right? And look at it. So you're looking at the same thing that I'm looking at. Look at the difference, right? Look at the difference. Okay. Price action, right? That's our favorite. When the market is moving in a two-dimensional environment. We don't have a two-dimensional right now. We have a dimension and a half. That's not as tough and as difficult as a single dimension or out of balance. But I think it doesn't matter if the market goes out of balance. We are on phase 6, trade management. All right. No, we're not in phase 7 already. No. We are on phase 6, trade management. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we all know that 66 is a double top, right? So that's the a double top, and that's the only setup that the teenagers know. It's a double top, right? They just learn it. And so taking 66, that's not going to be easy, right? So what does that tell you, right? Aha. All right. So target 1, target 2. We have one more unit to 72. But we've known since before the open that a drop is coming, and that's why we're not gonna hesitate in counter trending short our resistances. All right. So Goldman just called me and said, "Hey, you know what? I'm not taking 64 anytime soon." Oh, really? Yeah. So what do we think then? Could this counter trend short 63 that we took 15 minutes ago be the drop? It could be. So this is how it's gonna be. The bears are in control of this of the top. The bears are in control of this top right now. Okay? 64 resistance is stronger than 61 support, right? 2 points, right? This is a micro channel. 64, 61. right? 61, right? 61, right there. Boom, look at that, 69. All right. The bears are in control of this microchannel. This microchannel is an area of distribution. Hey, the teenagers don't know that yet. They haven't learned that yet. So this is an area of distribution, right? Meaning this is an area of supply, right? But supply is a little bit stronger, bigger. Distribution is chop, and there's a break. It's likely to come, right? So there's gonna be a break off of this micro channel right here. If it breaks to the upside, which those of us who are long 47, we want a break to the upside so that we can go to 72 and buy a Lamborghini, then terrific. And the way it's gonna be is the smart money. If they decide to break it to the upside, which we're prepared for both, right? Because we have a unit long still going to 72, and we just took a shot here, 63. That's been giving us a hard time. The counter trend. We want this thing to go at least to 58. It just went to 659 and change, right? So the way it's gonna take this high right here, because the bears are the one in control. The way to take it, for the bulls to take command of this top right here, they need they need a cannon. Bang! A cannon. And that cannon is going to take it to the double top, 66, and we're going to be watching it nicely go to 72, right? However, that's not going to happen anytime yet because who's in control of the top listing? The bears. All right? So hanging there on that counter trend short, don't be easily shaken out. Right? Long story short, all right? 58, it's support now, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay? So 58 is support. That's right. So now that's gonna be a battle. 58, 64. That, my friend, is gonna be a battle. Right? Equal forces. Bulls, 58, Bears, 64. Somebody's gonna win. We are prepared for both. And those of you who don't ride to target 3, because you know that the odds of getting target 3 are pretty tough, and some of you are all in all out. Boom, target 1, I'm out, gone, play 10. Or I'm just gonna stay here, but I'm gonna watch. I already made my target 1. I can buy target 1. I can only buy a Cinquecento, right?
Yes.
Not a Ferrari yet, but you're happy with that, then terrific. This is gonna be a tough action, ladies and gentlemen. Well, gee, really? I wonder why it's gonna be a tough action now. Could it be because the market just went
out of balance?
Out of balance?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, 58, 64. It's gonna be as tough as it gets. 50-50 chance, right? And that's pretty much it.
I have an Adam and Eve bull,
Mm-hmm.
but the market's out of balance. So
But yeah, that's right. It doesn't. It's not as
it's potent.
as potent, right? As the bottom. Okay. 64 is as strong as 58. This 6-point range right here is extremely difficult under this condition, out of balance, to know which one is stronger, therefore, which one is the one more likely to be taken. It's a crapshoot right now. Okay? So if you know that, then manage your current position, and now you can go from phase 6 to phase 7. Keep what you have, no shenanigans, no being a hero, and we're done. Because this 6 points are extremely difficult to have an edge, meaning the odds as to which of the two is the one that the price is gonna take. So you so we're short counter trend 63, and we still have one unit left going to 72. Manage it whichever way you want. Clean break of the low 59. Bears took over. That counter trend short 63 is gonna have a good chance, right? So hold on to it. You gotta see your P&L to see how green you are, and the same thing for the clean break of the high 63.64. Hang on to that long unit and ride it to 72 all day long today. You don't have time, you gotta go play tennis, right? But that's it. All right. 72 by way of 66. 66 is a double top. All the teenagers know that, and that's it. So the market, ladies and gentlemen, reveal itself. The market revealed itself to CTC, Capital Trade Center. Capital Trade Center traders. You. All of you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 72 it is. It'll take all day, man. I gotta go play golf, tennis, all that stuff that I play. Well, leave your secretary in charge. It's not gonna go to 72 in one straight shot. We all know that. That's what we want, but let's see. It's by way of 66, right? We all know that. 6 by way of 66. The drop for the future that we were expecting is this one right here, until the market went out of balance at 58. So no big deal. It wasn't a drop to call your home about. It's gone. The drop is gone. That doesn't mean that the price can easily come right back down to 58, break it, and continue going all the way to hell, right? All the way back to 53, right? It could happen, but it's not a prosaical prediction, all right? Because that drop just got invalidated by a couple of things, all right? So that drop is invalidated. I can tell now that it was this drop from 64 to 58. So these 6 points. All right. So why is that so important to know? Well, because oh really? Yeah, that's right. So so we don't have to be that careful anymore about the price recoiling. No. Do we still keep counter trending short? Bam, 67, right? So this is what I was saying, right? So give me 1 second right here. All right. So another question, right? Another question. Right. The natural question is, hey, should I short 66 counter trend short? Well, hold on a second, because that drop that we we're counting on is gone. So counter trending now is not as high probability as it was all morning long today. Why? Because I don't have anything telling me that there's going to be a drop. So now the emphasis is on doing whatever you can to let this long gold digger 47 that we took before the open ride to 72. All right. So 72 minus 47, right? What, 47? Boom, 47, right there. Okay, that's not bad. 72 minus 47, that's 25 points. And remember, okay, hold on a second. 72, there is a bonus, by the way. There is a bonus to the upside. There's a bonus. Let me make it official. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so there is a bonus, right? It's a bonus 76. We have a bonus 76. Target 372, bonus 76. Is it gonna take the entire day? So be it. Okay, so chop began, right? So the way we want the market, the price to move is, fast, speedy, keeping my targets. I'm out of here, right? 2 hours, bam. Make more than most people make in 2 months. Done. See you tomorrow, right? That's what we want. Usually starts at 11:30, right? It just started right now. As simple as that. Okay. So, phase 7. No shenanigans. Keep what you have. Be courageous. If you have the time, ride it to 72, 76, and it might even go further up, but at 72, 76, the strategy is, it's a good idea to be all out. However, if you trade the afternoon, it could happen in the next 5 minutes, right? But I'm chop begun, so I'm expecting it to take the entire day. I don't care. So if you have a secretary, just have your secretary babysit your position. So the strategy is, listen to this because I'm out of here. The strategy is, it's a good idea to be all out, right? And if there is a pullback, to get back in low, after having gotten the maximum amount of point, lock all of that, and then get back in at support, our supports that you all know which one they are, with a lot smaller size if you want to continue trading and play it. That's the strategy. I'm gonna take a break, of course. I'll be back, but I'm pretty much out of here. All right, I'll be back. Right. So a 71 quarter, right? 71 quarter, give me 72, bonus 76 before noon today. That'll be pretty awesome. Okay. Is that 71 half, my friends? Is that 71 half? 71 half. Alrighty then. Okay, let's see. Alrighty then. Okay, my friends. Right. Target 3 achieved. So let me remind you of everything we talked this morning before the market opened, right? Remember all of that stuff. remember everything, right? Remember this morning where the market was at? 72 was a long shot, wasn't it? Bam! What time it is right now? 11:11. Target 3 hit. Alrighty? Okay. So the reason I'm telling you this is so that because it's because psychologically, right? When you trust your when you trust your system, you have to go for it. You know? Okay. So the counter trend is pretty good. Look at that. Short 72, right? Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but is that a 2 ticks of heat? 72 half, right? For the counter trend. And look, razor sharp, just like every single one of all the counter trends that we took today at our resistances. 2 ticks of heat, giving you plenty of time and room to get in, and bam, look at this swift, nice move down all the way to 69 and change, right? So that's almost 3 points in 1 minute. That's pretty good. Stop break even for the counter trend and continue managing the position exactly the same way we've been doing it all day long. So this is it. Whatever happens, if the market takes you, we know that we're not going to take any new positions unless you do what I told you before, with the bonus strategy, and you know exactly how to do it. So other than that, I'm done. If any of you have a question, speak now or hold your peace. Once, twice, thrice. If it's not live, it's not real.